This is the 10-foot, 90-ton Cincinnati Form Master CNC press brake. This had a retrofit in 2022 by Cincinnati Incorporated. So we do have power on it. I'm going to go ahead and run it to you. I think they said there's 3 bends programmed in it. We'll just keep cycling through those for you. Gauge from the back here. Really all there is to it. Runs great, sounds great. Got the software, newest software in it. It's ready to go. Very, very nice machine.